Kita no, Paul, I do not buy the bullshit na hindi ka mainstream media. In fact, I am mainstream media. I've been newspaper for the longest time. I have the good fortune of being at Spin. But I follow you more than I follow all the other, my peers in the business. Lalo na sa boxing. Kasi I consider you an authority. And then for them to just diminish you na, hindi mainstream media. No, hindi ba kayo nag-internet? Hindi ba kayo nag-Facebook, YouTube? Yun na ang galawan ngayon. That's where sports is now. Ang breaking news, nandoon na lahat doon. Patay lang ang newspaper. Sabi ko nga, the newspaper I used to love, yung Sunstar Cebu, which at saka yung The Freeman. Yung Sunstar talaga, I earned my spurs there. Wala na kami sports section eh. Online na lang. Oh, and then you have PAO, and then the PBA doesn't credential. It is so PBA. Hindi ako nagtaka. So, anyway, Pao.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Ito yata yung hot text ngayon. Parang sorry po. But that's Homer.